Are you paying for Grammarly when you might not need to? If you want to better writing, grammar correction and AI suggestion, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get Grammarly Pro for free using the official option. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I had just created one account. Sorry, I created this account yesterday. So here you can see Grammarly Pro on a corner. Let's refresh this page to show you this is not a inspect element and official website. Click on this. I will show you also a subscription page. Here you can see Pro suggestion. Can see, let's visit admin panel to show you subscription page. Your account, subscription. Here you can see annual, paid plans 1. So in this video I'll show you how to get Grammarly Premium for free. And here you can see I had just recorded one video about how to get beautiful.ai free for 1 year. So please visit my YouTube channel homepage for watch this video. And also I created a video about how to get Creative Cloud Pro free for 4-month official free trial. So by this link you will get Creative Cloud Pro free for 4 months. So just visit my YouTube channel homepage if you are interested watching this type of videos. First you need to visit this grammarly.com website, then click on this from the corner, get Grammarly, it's free. Now here you can see we need to type our email address, password and name. You can use your Gmail address, Outlook, Hotmail or any email address. Then type here your password. Now choose your name. Then click on this agree and sign up button. Now we need to verify we are a human. So let's verify. Now we need to verify our email address. So go to your email address and simply copy the OTP. Then paste here OTP. Now simply select anything, work, school or other project. You can also skip this. Now here you can see try Pro for $0. So click on this. Then clicks annual. Here you can see a free trial of Grammarly. Just you need to add your payment detail and your card detail, expiry date and security code and country code and zip code. Then click on start free trial. You can enjoy 7 days free Grammarly Pro. I will not create an account because I already created an account. Here you can see. So if you are interested to watch this type of videos or you are interested this type of digital product, then please visit my store. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vibhas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.